Smart Araneta Coliseum na puno sa laban ng Gilas Pilipinas at Angola. Kumusta mga ka-dribble? Gilas Pilipinas tinapos sa fourth quarter matapos talunin ng Angola, at Sig Perez nagpakitang gilas matapos binangko sa laban nila kontra Dominican Republic. Sa first quarter pa lamang ng laro ay maganda na agad ang ipinakitang performance ng mga bataan ni Coach Chot Reyes, bagamat off-night si Jordan Clarkson ay maasahan naman ang mga local player nito. Roger Pogoy kakapasok lang naka back-to-back points agad. Easy 2 points kay Kai Soto dahil sa isang knockout play.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above.